It's recording. How does it look? There you go. By Chef Adrian. Sushi.
Yeah, you want to see the rice vinegar?
No problem.
Give you a chance. Garden.
Okay, am I good? Yeah.
Tomatoes, Kalamata olives, red peppers.
So it's kind of like an extra flavor. Crab bisque or something like that? Like a soup? Good, looking good.
Teamwork.
Came to mind. Oh my god. Okay. What do you think?
Very nice. Oh yeah.
Just 4.
Adrian.
I tried, so. Like, nobody gives a shit about the ice well. Again.
We've got uni, we've got, what do we have, Adrian? Scallop and
Scallop,
crabs.
caught cheeks. Thanks
We
to
got
Mary cutting
cheeks,
them out.
yeah.
Crabs by Nick and
Uni.